In today's video, I'll show you how to change the notification sound in Microsoft Teams. Imagine you're fully focused on an important task, and suddenly the default Teams notification sound pulls you out of the zone. The good news is, you can easily change that sound to something that fits your style and helps you stay productive. Customizing your notification sound not only makes Teams feel more personal, but it can also help reduce distractions by choosing a tone that's easier on the ears. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, click on Sign In and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're signed in, since you won't be able to access these settings otherwise. After logging in, look at the top right corner of the Teams interface. You'll see 3 dots, which represent the More Options menu. Click on those dots to open the drop-down list. From the menu, select Settings. This will open a new window or page where you can manage different preferences in Microsoft Teams. Next, find and click on Notifications and Activity. You may need to scroll a little depending on your screen layout. This section is where you control how and when Teams notifies you. Now, look for the option labeled Default under the sound settings. Click on it to open a list of available notification sounds. Take a moment to listen to the options and choose the one that works best for you, whether it's more subtle or simply more pleasant. Once you select a new sound, the change is applied immediately. You can start testing it right away to see how it fits into your daily workflow. If you ever want to switch back to the original sound or try a different one, just repeat the same steps we covered, and that's it. You now know how to change the notification sound in Microsoft Teams, making your experience more personalized and less disruptive. Don't forget to explore other customization options in Teams to further improve how you work. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more tutorials and tips.